Hello, boys and girls. We are back with another video today. We have a new video today about uh, Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. Everybody heard about that Pythagoras theorem. Okay, a square plus b square equals c square, where c is the hypotenuse. C is the hypotenuse. Okay, and it says this square here, this side of the triangle plus this side of this triangle squared equal this side of the triangle uh, squared. So a squared plus b squared equals c squared. C is the hypotenuse. Okay. Well, we'll see all of that in a minute. Okay. So we have a question today, a problem today. Okay. What is the c here? How much is this? T to z. T to z is how long? From here to here, how long? Okay. Well, we're gonna take it step by step. You don't go to next town where you live without taking step by step. You go to the car, and the car you will have to turn it on, and then we we drive to the highway, and so on, and then we get to the destination. Okay. Our taken off point is how much is from here to here, from R to T, how much? 4 units. It can be 4 kilometers, 4 meters, 4 centimeters, and so on. And how much from this T to this Z, from point T to point Z, how much? It says 7 units. Okay, and then Z to O, this point to this point 0, which is the center of the circle, okay, is 6 units. So don't get concerned with the circle and the center. Just take it as a just triangle, okay? And what we have? So we have RT equal 4 units, T to Z is 7 units, and Z to O is 6 units, right? Okay, so how much is TO in units? Okay, how much is TO in units, which is A, right? TO. So we're gonna use Pythagoras theorem, Pythagoras theorem or theory, okay, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Now, if we have c and if we have b, it's easy. We got it. Okay, we just plug it in the equation, and then we resolve it through the equation and through the radical or the square root property. Okay, now, so it says a squared plus b squared, which is right here. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. We have b and we have c, and then we square them, and then we will have a squared component of the formula, and then we just solve it. Okay, very easy. So T Z equals 7 units, Z O equals 6 units. So what is TO? This one here, TO, which is A, right? Okay, let's do it step by step. Okay, so if A squared equal B squared, I mean A squared plus B squared equals C squared, how much is B and how much is C? Okay, B is uh, B is 7. I'm sorry, 6. B is 6 units, and squared is 36, and C is 7, so squared is 49. So now the formula becomes A squared plus 36 equal 49. A squared plus 36 equal 49. So a square equal 49 minus 36, right? Because we said earlier in a video earlier, if you take one number with the plus sign or negative sign, okay, and you take it to the right side of the equal sign or to the left side of the equal sign, you change the sign. You have to. Okay. Well, some other people do it different ways. They do it. They just subtract 36 from both sides, and then will become 13. Okay, you can do that if you want, but for me, it's just saves me one or two steps. Anyway, so a square becomes 49 minus 36 equals 13. Now, a square is 13. It's not a yet. Okay, a square equals 13. Okay, therefore a is square root of 13, square root of 13, which is 3.60. But if you show them square root of 13, it's enough. You don't have to really, because they don't let you have the calculator, I believe, in SAT test. But anyway, the square root of 13 is the right answer, and the correct answer is C. Okay, let's do it again. One more time. Okay, one more time. You were with me? Let's explain it one more time. Okay, please pay attention. Now, we have a triangle. Okay, we have uh, point B to point Z is 7 units. We have point Z to the center of the circle, or Z to O, okay, is 6 units. And we have point RT, 4 units over here. Okay, 4 units. Okay, but in Pythagoras theory, we have a square plus b square equals c square. Okay, the square of this plus the square of this side equal the square of this side. Okay, so a square plus b square equals c square. A square plus b square, okay, is the Pythagoras theorem. So what we have? We have t to z is 7. From here to here is 7. From here, this O to z, to this point, is 6. So we just plug in the values. So a square plus b square equals c square becomes a square plus 36 equal 49, because b is 6 and squared is 36, and then square of 7 is 49, and we just plug in, and then a square equal 49 minus 36 equals 13. Okay, so this side here, t to o is square root of 13, square root of 13. Okay, please, change those numbers again. Practice. If you don't practice, okay, with a pencil, with a sheet of paper, you will not do good in SAT. I promise you that. Because, unless you practice, unless you do it yourself, make mistake, it's okay. Make errors, it's okay. Once, twice, 3 times, 10 times, it's okay. But you will get it. Okay. Remember, Thomas Edison, the inventor of the light bulb, he did it hundreds and hundreds of times before he got it right. Okay, which is okay. Okay, some people get in first time, some people get in second or third time, some people get in 100th time. It's okay. Okay, no problem with that. Okay, so practice. Change those numbers. Okay, take this number here. Okay, make the t to z is make it 9 or make it 5. take these ZO, make it 3 or 4, and then please use the Pythagoras theory and go over it once, twice, 3 times, please. Okay. If you want to do very good in SAT, you have to do it with a pencil and sheet of paper on your own, by yourself, or with a friend or two, doesn't matter. Okay, but actually do it. Okay, okay, and hide the answers, hide the problems, whatever. Turn off everything and then do it yourself. That's how you become successful in SAT. Okay, all right. Don't worry, you will make error or a mistake here and there, more than once, more than twice, but you will get it eventually. Thank you so much. And the answer for last videos is the movie is Taxi Driver. Taxi Driver, and it was directed by Martin Scorsese. And she played with Robert De Niro. Movie Taxi Driver. Next video will have another question and another answer. Thank you so much.